Children, this is your Jyoti teacher, Social Studies. Today let us all going to learn about the chapter 1. Chapter 1 in 8th class is about reading and analysis of map. So you have learned previously the different kinds of maps. What are the different kinds of the maps? The different kinds of the maps are outline map. Outline map shows only the outline of the world or India or the Telangana or the district or the village. The second type of the map is political map. The political map gives us the information about the political features, the boundaries, the political divisions of world and country. An example, India and 28 states and 9 union territories. Telangana map with political divisions, 33 districts. So let us see some of the types of the maps. In this chapter, let us also learn about the thematic maps. Thematic maps are the maps which shows the particular information, like for example population, literacy, so you can see here the Telangana map, annual rainfalls based on the thematic map. And we can also see in the first page the difference between the satellite photo and the outline map. The satellite photo shows the real features, but it does not give any particular information, whereas the outline world map shows the particular information about the place, but the real features are not shown here. You can also see the contour lines we studied in the 7th class. Contour lines are the lines which joins the places of equal heights. So these are the contour lines. When the contour lines are nearby, it means the height of the place is more. Difference between the map and satellite photo. Map shows particular information and features. It does not show real features. Whereas the satellite photo shows the real features, but it does not give any information about the place. Apart from this, the ancient history of map making started from the 4000 years ago. We can know the information by the clay tablets of Sumerian. Sumerian is the early map makers in the world are Sumerians and the Babylon, the present day Iraq. And we have also seen that throughout the world, the person who make the map is called as geographer. They have traveled from one place to another place and have made some of the picture drawn about the map. Map is the picture of a place drawn on a flat paper. This is about the land cover and usage. On the maps we see different kinds of the colors. Say for example, dark green color shows the forest and light green shows the grasslands, dark blue shows the seas and oceans, so on. So in 1154 Common Era, we have seen that a map maker from Arab map maker Al-Idrisi have used for the first time the north pole and north side and south side in a opposite direction. And we have also observed that in the map making the latitudes and longitudes are used. The longitude shows the places joining the same time. It is also called as noon line or meridian. So noon line or a meridian is a place which shows the same time of a places lying on the same longitude. So Gerardius Mercator has used the longitudes by joining the places of same time falling on the same noon line. So here is a map, thematic map shows about the information of India and population density in different areas. Contour lines, as I told you, it shows the different features with the lines joining the equal heights of mountains, valleys, rivers, plains, all the physical features. We have also seen that conventional symbols in your previous classes, like RS shows the railway station, PO shows the post office, and the curved line shows the river, and the irregular circle shows the tank settlement are given in this picture. Then this is one more thematic map which shows the Telangana relief and drainage, and moreover we have the rainfall map given in the textbook and also the soils of the Telangana. So here in the relief features of Telangana, it shows the heights of different areas with different information. What is the difference between map and a satellite photo? Draw the India political map with capital cities. What are the uses of the map? Why do the Babylonians or Sumerians have placed the Greek in the middle of the map? Thank you.